Do you have a habit of saying or other words when speaking? Like okay? Are you aware of using filler words? Here are a few tips to avoid filler words so that you'll sound more professional and smoother when speaking. First, you need to notice and be aware that you're using filler words. What are the most common filler words that you use? Record yourself to help identify the filler words, how often you use the filler words, and why you're using them. Slow down your pace if you need to. Many people use filler words because they're trying to keep up with their thoughts. If this is you, slow down and pause instead of using a filler word. Practice is next. Gosh, how many times have I said that? Practice and record yourself. Recording your practice session will also be a yardstick for measuring improvement. Next, embrace the silence. Pauses can help you recollect your thoughts before speaking again. There's no need to rush to fill in the silence. It also allows the listener to process what you're saying. Next, use gestures and eye contact to help draw in the listener. Use gestures to emphasize a point. All right, now practice these tips, but next, avoid industry jargon. You've heard the advice of talking to prospects like you're talking to a fifth grader. This isn't because prospects are stupid or incapable of understanding. It shows you understand the product or service so well you can explain it in simple terms. Using industry jargon only has meaning to you. The prospect doesn't understand it. And if the prospect doesn't understand, they may not ask you for an explanation. Or worse, they won't buy because they don't understand what you're talking about. Make it simple for the prospect to buy. That's the goal, right? Now, practice and record these tips and be sure to subscribe and like this video. Remember, sales is a journey, not a quick trip around the block. Stay savvy and sell the savvy way. I'll see you on the next video.